Have you heard the buzz? Joann stores are closing across the country, leaving many craft enthusiasts wondering what's next. Is this the end of your go-to destination for fabric, crafting supplies, and DIY inspiration? Or is there more to the story? Stay tuned as we uncover the reasons behind the closures, what it means for loyal customers, and how you can stay creative despite these changes. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to Financial Futures 101, where we bring you the latest updates on news that impacts your daily life. Today's topic hits close to home for crafters and DIYers. Joann stores closing. We're going to dive deep into what's happening, why it's happening, and what it all means for you. The reality of Joann store closures. Joann, one of the largest crafting supply chains in the US, has announced that it will be closing several stores. But before you panic, it's important to understand that not every Joann location is shutting down. The company is selectively closing underperforming stores as part of its restructuring strategy. This isn't a complete company shutdown, but it is a significant shift for one of the most beloved brands in the crafting world. Why are Joann stores closing? Several factors have led to these closures. Economic pressures. Like many retailers, Joann has been hit hard by inflation and rising operational costs. These challenges make it difficult for some locations to stay profitable. Online shopping boom. The convenience of online shopping has reshaped consumer behavior. Many customers now prefer to order supplies online rather than visiting physical stores. Changing market trends. With growing competition from online giants like Amazon and other specialized e-commerce platforms, Joann has had to rethink its strategy. Despite these challenges, Joann remains committed to serving its customers. The closures are an effort to focus on strengthening the company's most successful locations and improving its online shopping experience. Which stores are affected? Joann has not released a complete list of affected stores yet, but reports suggest closures will mainly target underperforming locations in smaller markets. If you're worried about your local Joann, keep an eye on company announcements or check directly with your nearest store. What does this mean for shoppers? Discounts and sales. If your local store is closing, you might see significant discounts as part of clearance sales. This could be a great time to stock up on crafting essentials. Shift to online shopping. Joann's online store remains fully operational and offers a wide range of products, along with delivery and curbside pickup options. Remaining locations. Many stores will continue to operate as usual, so you can still shop in person if your local Joann isn't affected. How customers can help if you love Joann and don't want to see more stores closing. There are ways you can support them. Shop in store or online directly from Joann instead of using third-party platforms. Participate in their community events, such as crafting classes or workshops. Spread the word about Joann's products and services to friends and family. Alternative crafting solutions. If you find yourself without a nearby Joann, don't worry, there are other ways to keep your creative projects alive. Explore other craft stores. Chains like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and independent local stores can be great alternatives. Online shopping options. Joann's website, along with other platforms like Etsy and Amazon, offer a wide range of supplies. Repurpose and reuse. Get creative by repurposing materials you already have at home for new projects. The closure of some Joann stores marks a turning point for the company and its customers, but it's far from the end. By focusing on online services and strong-performing locations, Joann is working to adapt to changing times. For customers, this is an opportunity to take advantage of clearance sales, support your local store, or explore new ways to fuel your creativity. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow craft lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to Financial Futures 101 for more updates like this. Let us know in the comments. How do you feel about the Joann store closures? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep crafting and stay inspired.